Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we're gonna do a revision for chapter 9, which is heat flow and the heat transfer. Before that, don't get confused between the temperature and the heat. Temperature is a measure of a degree of a coolness or hotness of an object, while the heat is a form of energy it able to transfer from one object to another object. Heat will be transferred from the hotter regions to colder regions. Before we go further, I will show you a simple animation about the heat transfer.
Here you imagine that you have a pot full of water and you put it above the stove. Then light up the stove so that the pot becomes hot. Why? Because the heat energy has been transferred. The stove produces fire and then the pot becomes hot. Next, the water starts to boiling. This process is called as a heat transfer. There are three ways of heat transfer. The first one, conduction, second, convection, and the third one, radiation. Conduction means that heat transfer through a medium solid. Convection is through medium fluid, which is gas and liquid. While radiation means there are no medium, heat able to transfer through the vacuum. This animation can show you the three ways of the heat transfer, where the conduction takes place when the stove will be transferred the heat to the pot, and then the pot will transfer the heat to the water, known as convection. And last one, radiations. There are no medium required, it's just surrounding. Now let's have a look how the heat energy transfer to the solid medium. Let's say there is a glass rod as a solid medium. So once it receives the heat, the particles will vibrate and collide with one another more frequently and transfer the heat to the whole medium until all receive the same heat. Convection is a heat transfer through the fluid, either liquid or gas. Here you can see the liquid particles at the bottom which receive the heat energy first compared to the above will become hotter. So it will expand and less dense, then will be rise upwards. So the cool particle above, which is cool, will become more dense and will move downwards. The circulating stream that rises and falls continuously is known as convection current. Last one is about radiations, which one without any medium, such as the sun heat up the earth's surface by radiations because they are vacuum. And same goes if we sit in front of the campfire, so we will receive the heat energy through radiation.